Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube page. In today's video, I'm bringing you another unit. It's from UNice hair store, and I'm going to do a mini unboxing for you guys so you know what's inside the box if you do purchase it. It comes with 2 stocking caps, lashes, as well as a headband. Now, more in detail about this unit. This is a T-part lace closure wig. It's 150% density. The color is number 4B. It's brown, and the unit is 16 inches. So this is how the unit looks without any customization to it. This is how the silk looks on the unit. As you can see, it comes with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. And as you can see, the lace is at the back as well. Now, more in details about this closure. This closure does have a silk base, as you can see, so it mimics a fake scalp. And as you can see, this is how much you would get on the silk base. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the end so you can get my thoughts on this unit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get right into this video. So like I said before, if you stay to the end, you already know what the deal is. So this unit did come from UNice hair store. It's the T-part lace closure wig. Lace closure is 150% density. The color is 4B. It does, like you've seen in the beginning of the video, it does come with the silk base. So the closure is like basically like this, and the silk base is like right here. Do have this unit in a 16 inch, and it does come straight, but I decided to curl, put little waves in it because I love curly hair. So this is how the unit look. I did cut the baby hairs off for myself, but it doesn't come with any type of baby hairs. It's just the closures. I feel like this is a great beginner friendly unit because it's a closure wig, and sometimes people don't know how to do the full lace wig. So this, you just get this much lace with the closure, and it does have like that effect of skin. Hair is nice. I didn't experience any shedding at all. Color is pretty. So let me know how you guys like this unit from UNice hair store. I did get it off of Amazon, so I will leave all the details down below in my description box. If you are interested in this unit, hit to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. Also hit that notification bell so you guys can know when I upload again. And I'll talk to you soon in my next video. Bye.